Ben Golash with New England Low Vision and Blindness, and today I'm going to talk about how to download Teamviewer. Teamviewer is the software we use to get in contact with you and to train you on different products wherever you are in the country. It's kind of like Zoom, but it works a lot better for us and it's a lot more involved. Okay, so the first step to download Teamviewer is to go to teamviewer.com. You're going to find this screen right here, click download for free. When you do that, it's going to take you to this screen here. So you have a bunch of different operating systems at the top. I have a Mac, so I'm going to click Mac. If you have Windows, it's a very similar process. If you've ever downloaded something on your Windows, it's the same process. So I'm going to click Teamviewer for Mac OS, click the green button, and it's going to pop up on the bottom here. So once that's done downloading, I'm going to click this button, open, and it's going to bring me to this screen right here. This is the Install Teamviewer app. So I'm going to double click that. It's going to say open. This screen right here is asking if I accept the terms and services of the app, which I do, so I'm going to click the check mark and continue. Now this is the Teamviewer install app. So I'm just going to click continue, install. So this is asking for my password for my computer, okay? This is the password that I designated to my computer when you first open it up, and it says this is your account and what is your password. This is that password. So I'm going to enter that right now. Once I do, the installation process is started. It only takes a few seconds. Alright, now it's done. Click close, and this is going to ask if I want to move the installer app to the trash. Since Teamviewer is already installed, I don't need the installer app anymore. Okay, so now this is Teamviewer. And now once you have this screen, then you're all ready to go. Thank you for tuning in to this New England Low Vision and Blindness special, and thank you for watching.